Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the device care. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the app protection and tap on turn on. Let's tap on turn on, and as you can see right now no threats has been found, but we have to tap on scan phone now. And as you can see, your device will scan itself, so it will scan all of the apps which are currently installed on this device in order to find any kind of viruses, malware, problems, etc. Just give it the time so it will have a chance to check all of them. Of course, if it will find any kind of options, any kind of problems basically, it will inform you about that and show you what you can do in order to actually remove the problems. If everything is okay, it will also show you the information, no threats detected, everything looks okay, so you can freely use your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.